Hey, it's Ole from PhotOle Photography. Today we are doing an unboxing video. So just recently got this in the mail the other day, and just did not have a chance to see what I got. Have the PhotOle bead. Second camera, we got the one step. Third camera, we got the one step close up. We also got the flash for the PhotOle. Step. Go. Got 2 packs of expired 600. I'm guessing it's probably dry. The box itself is pretty beat up, but we'll test it. And the prize camera we have is the Sprint 600. So it's the Amco logo. So can't wait to test this out. If you have any questions, send me an email, ole@photolephotography.com, or just leave a message below. Thanks for watching.